She said someone doesn't make her go in the car anymore. Maybe when she gets old enough, she'll be more mature. I'll be so scared. I think if you and Corky are there, she'll be. Miss Munoz?
Señora, did
Okay. So
you give the
actually,
gift? You give the gift to Canela?
I think it's still in the car. Shit, I forgot that. It wasn't even.
Hey, your screen looks blurry.
How does it look?
Blurry.
Oh, it is really.
I don't know what to say.
Let me leave and get back in. Maybe it's me.
How about now?
Much better.
Okay. Well,
Isn't it my turn?
I don't know. I thought it was my turn.
Okay, yeah. Let's see. Oh, go ahead.
All right. So, as you can see, I'm still in Carl. Because in my mind, it was like tomorrow's Thursday. Maybe things will continue to go down. And same thing with Ruka. I think I got the low of the day for Ruka was like 88.71. It was like $200 from being Positivo. I was so excited. And but I think we're on the right, huh?
You can say that again.
So, but I think we're on the right path, and I think tomorrow will bring great blessings.
Amen to that.
Can the church say amen? So, we'll start with the negativos. We got open. Yes. We'll do a round of applause for open. It's got to 401 at closing. It got to a low of 4, so it's about to drop like a hot potato. I'm hoping tomorrow. I'll be listening to the squawkers and
go open. It's your birthday.
I hope that I think tomorrow's going to be a down day. Can get positive on open. Roku and Carl will just continue to drop. Like it's so funny how Carl, I didn't expect it after Friday to drop like it did, and it just did drop. You know, like
I was actually not expecting
or something to.
I was expecting it like after the holidays.
Yeah,
I was expecting it after the holidays,
like a week or two, and then to drop. But it was just so rapido, so fast, and so that really tells you a lot that they're not playing.
But they may like shoot it up too because it's a volatile kind of stock. So that's when you have to be careful. So that's why you kind of have to get in and out almost every day, because sometimes they like to do that pop scenario where it goes like, $20 a day.
Absolutely. I absolutely agree with you. If you can short the pops, that would be great. So here we have open, and it's been doing well. But there's no way that this can't come down during this time of year. And then do we know this was on November, so we got a while. December, January. Okay, yeah, we could do have a while. It seems like it was a long time, but it wasn't. So we basically have February, when we'll have earnings again. So now, key time. This is going to be, it came down almost 6%. I'm sure you're happy with that, and hopefully it'll just continue to come down.
Yes, if it does another, I'll see what I can do mañana.
So, yeah, who knows what it's gonna do, but we're getting to the slow period or whatever too. So things could just come down because it's slowing down as we get to the holidays. Roku, this is in the top 3, so that's great. And
Go Ruku, it's your birthday. Go Ruku, it's your birthday.
and so it can fill this crazy gap here, whatever, and just slide all the way down. 23andMe, we know where that caca's at. Hood, Tesla came down, even though this was spotted up. Tesla, it was moved up to what, 270, I think.
Let's see the
Right?
minute chart.
For what, Tesla?
Maybe, yeah, let's see the minute.
It had been upgraded. Is the term I'm looking for, to 270.
Oh, okay.
Recently, I don't the last few days, but I remember hearing that it was upgraded. AMD, this was one thing, could have got into and shorted today, but I think we had enough with all the other things.
I have a lot of shorts, so my short
Yeah,
pants are like,
but here's the thing, for shorts, I only do them for like a day or two. Like I'm holding obviously what you call it. But it's just
carro.
for like one day, you know? Like I'm not gonna hold it like, forever. But let's see what we have here. Tesla, AMD. So this was another one with AMD or whatever. Could have got into it, but I didn't. But I think with Carl we were fine. It made up. But I'm just saying that this was also something that came down. Tractor Supply, Taco. It also slid. Jeez, yeah. Let's see. UPS, Disney. A lot of stuff was down today. Yeah, and especially towards the end of the
I'm
day.
surprised about Disney. Remember, Disney was up before
Yeah,
because
one of those things where a good stock that had a bad day. You know, it may be, if you think it's good, doing good, it may be, this may be a good day to buy it. Buy the dips. May want to put it on the notice. Maybe a good day, just buy the dips. You know. Uh, Yeah, definitely put down the notes. Uber is down 2.5%. Okay, Campbell's. Okay, this is an instance of buying the dips. So we'll see how tomorrow behaves. But you know, we may put this on the notes to see if we can get in here because tomorrow's Thursday. If it goes down a little bit more, may be able to get it on the not cheap, but just buying it on the dip so that you know we can keep it for the long term for the harsh winter when people will be having a lot of soups. Let's see. Target, Target, um, yeah, it went down today too.
How are the markets right now?
How are the markets? I don't know what you mean. What do you mean, Elisa? How are the markets?
Pre-market for tomorrow. I'll look.
Okay, you can talk about that.
I'll look at the pre-market. I'll look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll
So
take a look at it.
So let's see. Okay. So even Macy's, which had been doing well, went down today. So it's just a lot of things went down. Even freaking XOM, which you would have thought XOM would have went up today. Huh. It's usually it does the opposite. EBC, Bank of America, everything was negative. So I think I know what's going to, what your CNBC chart is going to say. Amazon, yeah. Apple, let me see if anything positive. Oh, crazy coin, Google. Let's look at coin. Oh, so coin, um, it went up today, but it went down towards the end of the day. Dollar Tree. Oh, it was it was going up today. It made $1, $1.50.
Interesting counter trend.
And let's see. Let's see. And then Google. Yeah, everything just went down toward the end of the day, most things. And no matter what, even if it had went up. So let's see, what are we looking at? This one. Really nothing to write home about. Zoom had a terrible day. I'm surprised it finished at 70. It had went up. But I think there could be some good things coming in for Zoom, even though it was downgraded to $70. I think there could be some good things coming for it. It's already at the bottom of the hill, so it can't do anything worse. This thing, we're still going to keep a watch on Hall, just in case when it gets to the bottom based on the winter, I want to buy it for the summer. ASO is still up there. Good thing we got out of that. Oh, look at this. Bud Light, it's on hard to buy, Elisa. Let's take a look at this in the morning, put on the notice. If we can get it above where it closed at tomorrow, maybe it does a dead cat bounce. Well, I probably might want to look at this. Maybe get it at 63 or something like that. It looks like maybe we can get a few dollars, Also see maybe I wonder if there's any news into Bud. Why it's on hard buy, you know? Uh,
Good question.
yes. What else is there? All of this. Now let's see. Up for the day. This what is this? FinTech. This is Kaka. This is a penny stock, of course. Um, Foot Locker was kind of up, but Foot Locker's the way it's behaving, it's about to be a penny stock itself. Um, and you, um, there wasn't too much going on that was up today. Let's put it that way. AMC Beyond, Beyond, yeah, it tanked. So it was, and it's all hard to buy. We talked about Rivian, it tanked. If I had held on to Rivian, I would have got my money back. But hey, it is.
And it was exactly as you predicted,
And
and you said it. It'll probably tank when you get out of it.
yeah, and if it was just because I was going to have lunch with you and stuff, so I was like, but if I had just held it, it would have been perfecta. So, but hey, it is what it is.
Mhm.
But at least I made more money with what you call it, Carl.
Yeah, I made some money with it too.
Dash.
Something's better than nothing.
It came down, dashy dash. It's just everything was kind of like toward, even if you came up a little bit in the beginning of the day, everything went down towards the end, which I think was good overall for the market because things have been really kind of on fire a little bit. And
Extra?
yeah, so I think it's good when you kind of like subdue the bullish behavior. Even if the market had been going down like crazy, you need something to counteract. So yeah, it basically, even if you went up,
It's healthy. It's healthy for it to pull back, and it's healthy. You can't be a bull
yes,
all the time, because if you're a bull all the time, then we're never going to have bull behavior later on.
yes.
You have to
So
go. You have to go down.
keep going.
You have to go up in order to go down. The elevator must go up and down. So, you're going to win either way, but it's healthy for the market to have cycles of going up and down.
Yin and yang. So I'm done. Do we have anything we need to discuss or talk about? Do you want to look at some options, which I really don't want to look at? But
I don't want to look at options, but I do want to review. I want to give you an overview of the market, which you already know, but I was looking at the pre-market for
all I'll
tomorrow.
say is
It's a
I'm
little,
very excited for Avis and especially Ruko tomorrow because then I can gather my 500 shares of Ruko, make a few dollars, and call it a day.
you can say that again.
I
So obviously the markets for
do
today
you
were
want to
red.
share your screen or no?
Sure.
Okay, let's turn this on.
Why not?
It's up to you.
So obviously, it was a pullback today, and it said the markets had a really bad session. Overall, greater than 1%. S&P closer to 1.5%, and the Nasdaq Dow Jones wasn't as bad as the Nasdaq and as S&P 500, but it was healthy, a healthy dose of humbleness, if you will. As you can see, the VIX was volatile. It was 9.10%, which has been extra on the positive side. So there was a lot of volatility. For tomorrow, the pre-market is doing a little bouncy bounce because it was just so extra today. So you can expect this maybe a little pop, but hopefully things will continue to go down a little bit more healthy for the markets. Tomorrow is Thursday, but you got to watch out. Oil is a little bit down and the treasuries are down. So everything is going, hill. I hope it does continue. And let's see if there's any little like newsy news. Okay, nothing else. Asia right now is red. And that's it. Asia.
So we're going to hope for a down day tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Please,
go
Lord
from
Jesus.
there.
Yes.
My plan is to be up temprano, but not too temprano. I don't have work tomorrow.
Whatever.
I'm gonna enjoy my time off. I'm really looking forward to this you know, towards the end of the year where I get some time off. It's really nice to have this time off. Even though
Just
some
enjoy
people
it.
say,
If just FYI, if you go to bed too late, you will wake up late.
Elisa, as long as I don't have to
Just,
go to uh comma, I'll be all right. And I'm kind of relaxed. I'm
just,
gonna sleep like a baby because I have one of the gallos.
you had one gallo? So,
Yeah,
did you show Mr. Perez all the goodies? Was he surprised with the gallos?
a little bit. I were you surprised with the gallos or what? Yeah, I guess he was or whatever. But
Good.
I told him, like I said, I told him like basically the stuff you brought, even it was in the car, so it's like he knew before he saw it. So
Did you get the Corky gift? Can he get the Corky gift? I got Corky a gift and Canela.
yes, he will get their toys, their chew toys. Um, it's kind of like I didn't want to give them overload because someone just bought them a toy, this crazy thing that makes like a sound like it's dying, and so they're kind of fighting over
That.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Because every time Corky gets close to it, he goes crazy. So
Mm-hmm.
it's probably better if they kind of have a minute to kind of decompress from this crazy thing they got, this new thing. Because now if they get another new thing, that it'll just be overload kind of.
Yes.
So yeah, so I'll probably give it to them maybe Friday or something like that. Uh, because I just don't want them to be overstimulated too much.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good.
They're
All
already
right, I'm gonna let you go ahead.
they're already fighting over the
Hey, ustedes se tienen que acotar. Porque
Perez.
ustedes están subiendo para la escalera. Anyway, I will let you go.
Peace out.
It was a very enjoyable day and lunch. It shall be repeated.
Yeah, it was
And
good. We got to do this more often, and
yeah,
we'll try different locations
we
and
have
go
to
from
do
there.
a double date too as well, dinner
Oh,
date with
yeah,
Mr.
yeah, yeah.
Jacinto and Miss. You got to
That
tell Mr.
that will
Perez.
be that will be a nice weather though.
Yes, Mr. Can you tell Mr. Martinez, Mr. Perez? It
Um,
will be a double date with Mr.
we're
Jacinto.
gonna do a double date at Davio's. Yes, we'll probably do Boston. Uh,
Mhm.
but even though I think Foxboro's better, but hey, you probably think Crazy Linfield's better. So
We could go to Quincy too. We can go to Quincy. I like some of the Quincy stuff.
yeah, there's no Davio's in Quincy. We can do Boston.
We can do Davio's in Boston or Quincy or
Yeah.
whatever.
So
Muy bien,
anyway,
muy bien.
we'll be.
Okay, I will let you enjoy the rest of the evening. Someone is watching the Celtics games, and I will talk to you mañana.
Also, someone wants to say hello.
Canela.
No, no,
Canela.
it's not that.
She's sleepy, bro. Canelita. She's sleepy.
She's falling apart.
Ay, buenas nachos.
Notice, senor.
Okay, bye.